Local news for Thursday, the 23rd of August. Derek Daniel from Wairarapa was one of 5 farmers from New Zealand in a group of 30 taking part in South Australian sheep and wool tours. Mr Daniel recently spent 6 days touring southwest Victoria and the Limestone Coast region of South Australia as part of a sheep and wool knowledge tour organised by Rabobank. The tour provided attendees with the opportunity to see firsthand some of Australia's most progressive sheep operations and included visits to processing and vertically integrated businesses to observe the latest in technology in meat and wool, the application of digital technology on livestock farms, carbon farming and the expansion of downstream business. Police investigating an attempted robbery in Masterton are appealing for information from the public. At around 5:10 last Friday, police received a report of a male entering a shop on Colombo Road armed with a weapon. He demanded cash from staff and damaged some property, but an alarm was triggered and the male left the scene. No one was injured and nothing was taken. Anyone with any information is asked to call Masterton Police. And you can see a photo of that on the MoreFM Wairarapa Facebook page. And in sport, the Hurricanes Heartland side will play Wellington this Saturday in the next round of the Jock Holmes Memorial Tournament in Taupo, the side featuring 10 players from Wairarapa.